Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing here on video. Let me give you a little bit of background on what we're going to be looking at from Haley Strategic. So when I first got into kind of the tactical world and back into survival, which I had done years ago, but kind of got out of it and now I'm back into it, I started digging around to see who are guys out there who are clear thinking about the topic of everyday carry and preparedness and situational awareness. And Travis Haley was one of those guys who came to mind. So I actually have an interview, I'll put a link down below, that I did with him at SHOT Show probably like 2013. And I've always liked his approach to the idea of everyday preparedness, situational awareness, and things along those lines. He actually talks about making thinkers before shooters. He does a ton of firearms instruction and creates gear for it, for firearms as well. He is a veteran of the Marines. He was part of the Marine recon teams and did that for years, was actively deployed in a variety of areas. And yeah, so I just really appreciate that when he designs gears, he designs it with a user in mind. He also designs gear very thoughtfully and does his training very thoughtfully. And so what we're going to be looking at today are some of the soft goods that Haley Strategic offers. So let me open up the box here and we'll take a look at it together. So before I open this, I want to mention to you, I do have one of their hats, and this was a patch that they, I think they offered on their website a while ago. It's a very cool hat. It's got the Haley Strategic logo, a tiny little dragonfly patch that goes on the back, let's see, back right side, I guess. So this is the one other piece of gear I have for them, but I did invest a little bit of money here to get this gear we're about to look at. So let me show you a couple different things. First off, I got one of their new woodland camo hats. So trucker's cap in the back, or trucker's cap I should say, with the mesh in the back. Got the cool logo there and woodland camo. So that'll be cool to wear that. So what I've got here are two different of these little organizational pouches. I actually have three others that I got as Christmas gift. And so it's a way to organize your gear inside your pack. Then I got one of these larger ones as well, and they've got hook and loop on the back, and then they've got, you know, this clear panel so you can see what's inside, and then on the inside they've got a hook and loop panel as well so you can attach things to this. And he's created a variety of gear that connects to the backpack, which I'm going to show you in a minute, including, I think it's called the DC3 chest rig, which attaches directly to the pack, so you can have the pack and the chest rig if you need that for your line of work or whatever it might be. So now I've got two of these here, and then one larger one as well, and like I said, I've got three others. I think they're in another bag here. Now what I've got here is the Flatpack, and they have the small version, or the regular version I guess, and then the large version. I got the large version just because it fits the items I'm going to be carrying every day, but it comes in a couple different colors. I think this is called Disruptive Gray, if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check my order sheet here. Yeah, Disruptive Gray is the color for this. So I'll take this out of the package in a second. I did get a couple other things. I did get this tiny little orange patch with the Haley Strategic logo as well, and then I got this larger Haley Strategic logo patch in red and black, which I think is really cool. And if you're interested, you can kind of dig around on their website and find out about the dragonfly logo. Kind of a cool, just the symbolism of what the dragonfly is. So with that in mind, we got a couple extra things here. So yeah, it's a little card, looks like, from them. And he actually doesn't say, you know, dear consumer, he says thinkers, comma, Haley Strategic Partner was born on the belief, blah, blah, blah. So thinkers before shooters, that's one of their big lines. And then, yeah, what do they have here? Share your stories and gear using at /tag Haley Strategic will repost our favorites. So they've got some pictures of people who've used their gear. Let me put the box down here and we'll open up the Flatpack. Alright, so the idea behind the Flatpack is that literally it's flat. Like, you can flatten it out and you can also put gear in it and expand it. So as you put more gear in, obviously it's going to get bigger. Let me unzip this one zipper to show you. But if you can think about like a piece of luggage, when you have like a suitcase and you want to compress it down, you've got that zipper that goes along the edge. So here's what it's like when it's flat, and then it can expand out to carry a lot more gear. They do have the gray zipper pulls. You can also get them in different colors, which is cool. And the straps are super minimalistic, but again, the idea is that you can attach this to a DC3, I think again the DC3 chest rig, and carry that, have the front and the back all geared up for you. So we've got a small pocket here in the front. We've got another, where's the zipper there? Another pocket here that expands out. Let me unzip this. So that you can put stuff in here, and then when you want to expand it out, let's get washed out on the camera here. This will expand out as well. And then we have a pocket in the front section here, and then the large internal section. And you can see hook and loop all inside, and the idea is that you can take these organizers and set them up. So I'll put like maybe one there, and then what else? See this guy, yeah, like this. So now I've got a small one and a large one, and then I could put 3 or 4, depending on how I set them up. I could put them vertically, horizontally, but I got a bunch of them so I can organize my gear as I see fit. So I tend to be a sling bag guy or like a messenger bag guy, but this one really intrigued me, and I really like the way it looks. So I invested some of my own money, and we're going to give it a shot. I'm going to do a separate review talking about this as my everyday carry bag and what's in it, and give you a full rundown. But I just wanted to share with you some of these latest purchases I made from Haley Strategic. Check them out online. Just look up haleystrategic.com. My camera keeps falling off the tripod. I don't know what happened there. But anyhow, just want to unbox this and kind of show you what I'm gonna be testing out and looking at. And yeah, check them out, haleystrategic.com, making thinkers before shooters. And thanks for checking out this video, guys. And yeah, check back for more videos soon. We got some extra links right there for you to see what else we put out recently. All right, guys, take care.